Hello friends from Central Coast of California. I do apologize, I mixed my cup off screen. It's very pretty. It's a combination of a bunch of colors from an earlier pour, and I had just a bit of leftovers, so I kind of thought, well, I hate to see good paint go to waste. So, but basically I've got a navy blue, I've got a metallic purple, a turquoise, a silver, a gold, some white. What else did I have in there? A little bit of kind of a green yellow. And so I just thought, well, you've got the paint, got the time, let's see what happens. The inside of the cup is really pretty. So I layered all my colors in there, and then I just kind of gave them a little stir to kind of blend. So just kind of experiment, see what's going on, see what I can get to happen. I normally have a tray underneath that I pour on top of for easier cleanup, but I've also got this plastic down, and this is just that plastic you buy when you're when you're like painting your house to cover your furniture. But it's kind of cool because it really makes cleanup easy. When I get a little bit of paint built up on it, I just peel it off. Oh, I'm kind of glad I put that green in there. It's adding a nice dimension. So my paints are all mixed with floetrol, about a 3-to-1. And I did add a squirt of Liquetex pouring medium. Well, there's the gold I was looking for in the last painting. It's so warm here that getting gloves on is a little bit difficult. It's still in the 70s. It's 12:30 and it's still in the 70s here. So trying to put gloves on sweaty hands sometimes doesn't work so well. And a lot of times I do pour without gloves, but then, I've got long nails and stuff, so the cleanup is a bit of a nightmare because the paint just sort of seems to find its way into any possible crack and crevice. So I'm just adding a little bit of black on these edges so I don't have to overstretch this. Again, oh my gosh, look how gorgeous this cup is. sometimes the cups are so pretty, and I'd actually, because it's so pretty, I think I'm going to hit it with a torch one more time and call it good. Well, I've got some really pretty colors going on in here. Okay, let's bring it in for a close-up. Maybe. Well, at some point, I turned the camera off. Maybe it was when I was trying to bring it in for a close-up, but let's do that again, just in case that's what it was. Got more cells popping up all the time. I've got some really great colors going on. Kind of loving this little bit of webbing here. And there's some beautiful golds and turquoises. I'll probably, because I can't leave well enough alone. Hopefully I won't mess with it, but it could look completely different in 15 minutes after I'm done here. Anyway, if you like this, hit subscribe, hit like, hit share. Thanks for watching.